headline: Reps reject motion seeking release of arrested October 1 protesters. Details below. A motion seeking intervention and possible release of our 4 persons reportedly arrested by the Nigerian police during the country's Independence Day anniversary on October 1 has been dramatically rejected by members of the House of Representatives. Minority Leader of the House, Nnamdi Elumelu, had in the motion prayed that the Committee on Police Affairs be mandated to investigate the allegation of the arrests and interface with the leadership of the Nigerian police force for the immediate release of the 4 arrested innocent protesters arrested in Abuja on the said date. But after Elumelu presented the motion, which he titled Illegal Arrest, Detention and Brutalization of Peaceful Protesters, the Deputy Speaker Idris Waz punctured his submissions, arguing that protesters cannot be said to be peaceful when they go about obstructing other people who are going about their lawful businesses. You cannot say you are carrying out a peaceful protest when you are burning tires on the road and obstructing people and say it is human rights. You can do your protest, but you cannot obstruct other Nigerians, he said, adding that the issue of the right should not be used to prevent the police from carrying out its duties, especially at a time when people are taking up arms and burning down police stations. However, Deputy Minority Leader Tobe Okechukwu stated that all Elumelu was asking for was for the alleged illegal arrest to be investigated, and anyone found culpable to be prosecuted. Our laws guarantee due process in policing. I don't think we can equate a simple protest with people carrying arms, he said, adding that the persons should be given fair hearing. The Speaker, Femi Gbajabiamila, also pointed out as worrisome where Elumelu in the motion stated that a detachment of armed anti-riot policemen led by ASP Alton Daniel arrived at Dantata Bridge and violently opened fire on the peaceful protesters to disperse them, when he was not aware of any reported deaths during the incident. The Speaker had to repeat the question for members' voice votes 3 times before he finally gave it to the nays. Elumelu had earlier explained that he had nothing paranoid against the police, but only asking that the rights of Nigerians who we represent are protected. The representative, they rejected the motion seeking the release of the arrested October 1 protesters. The October 1 protesters that protested in Abuja, 4 of them were arrested. And the representative, Elumelu, said that the court should look at the case very well so that we will not arrest innocent souls. And anyone found culpable will be prosecuted. Our laws guarantee due process in policing. He said that the motion, which he titled Illegal Arrest, Detention and Brutalization of Peaceful Protesters. But the representative said that peaceful protesters cannot be injuring the movement of the Nigerian people. That how will the peaceful protesters burn tires on the road, obstructing people and saying it is human rights? That you can do your protest, but you cannot obstruct other Nigerians. He said the police will carry out their duties, especially at the time when they are carrying out their protest, when people are taking up arms and burning down police stations. Because when you are saying you are a peaceful protesters, why are you then burning tires on the road, obstructing Nigerians that are going on with their own daily activities? So the 4 people were arrested, and the representative said they cannot release them because what they did was wrong. Elemule was asking for what was allegedly arrested to be investigated, and anyone that is found culpable to be prosecuted. And the speaker, Femi Gbajabiamila, also pointed out as worrisome where Elemule in the motion stated that a detachment of armed anti-riot policemen led by ASP Alton Daniel arrived at Dantana Bridge and violently opened fire on the peaceful protesters to disperse them. The human rights group called the March release of arrested October 1 protesters in Abuja. The call also called for immediate release of the 6 protesting youths arrested and detained by the Nigerian police force in the nation's capital. A human rights advocacy group, the Coalition for Revolution, CORE, has commended Nigerian youth who trooped out to protest against the bad governance of President Muhammadu Buhari when the country celebrated the 61st Independence Day anniversary on Friday. CORE also called for immediate release of the 6 protesting youths arrested and detained by the Nigerian police force in the nation capital. This was contained in a statement titled "CORE Salute Patriotic Youths, Demands Immediate Release of the Abuja 6 by CORE conveners Baba Aye and Gbenga Komolafe," which was made available to Sahara reporters on Saturday. CORE argued that protest remained a fundamental human right of citizens and not a criminal activity. Hence, it has to be respected by the security operatives. The statement reads, "The Coalition for Revolution, CORE, salutes youths who joined the October 1st protest in several states across the Federation. In the Federal Capital Territory, Lagos, Oyo, Osun, Edo, Bayelsa and Benue States, amongst others, these youths demonstrated their readiness to take their fate in their hands. In utter contempt of the protesters' fundamental rights and freedom of association, the police in Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory, arrested 6 CORE members over the protest. These include Benjamin, Manasseh, Mohammed, Labaran, Danjuma, Patience, and Ibrahim." And the representative are saying they are not releasing these protesters because they've gone against the rule. That when you are a peaceful protest, when you are having a peaceful protest, you are not supposed to be obstructing the Nigerian citizens from moving. So we will have to look into this case, and those who are culpable will face the law. But they are begging that they should release the protesters because they are protesting against the bad governance of President Muhammadu Buhari. Thank you, listeners, for listening. Do have a good day.